Might hang by it.
See if I can get in the cage with him. He might move away from me, but
He might eat it. If we put food in the glove, and he might come over there.
He might.
He might walk up on the glove to get food.
George, what are you doing? He's a pretty boy. You want me to get the glove out and see if you'll, let's see if you want to come over? I get this glove out, you don't want to. He's like, I don't think so. Come here. Probably gotta get used to me. George. Nobody. Oh, he's kind of timid.
Food out of that jar.
He's kind of timid.
Or you can pick it out of that yellow thing.
Put this little thing back in. George, what are you doing, buddy? Huh? What'd you say? What'd you say? Did you say something?
You heard his lip with it. Act like he's talking, huh?
Yeah. Made a little noise. How old did they say he was? How old is he? Do you know?
He just told me he was a baby.
Oh, okay.
So, got a ways to grow.
Mm-hmm.
And with the bent feathers, it's hard to tell what it really would look like if they weren't. There might be a lot of feathers missing on the back, you know, and they come way down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. George, what do you think about it, buddy? See how he reacts. I'm going to put the camera around on him. George. What are you doing? What's he doing? He's used to the camera by now. He's used to being on camera now. What are you doing, George? What are you doing, boy? What are you doing, boy?